Mix these 3 ingredients. They will help you to last longer. They will build up your immune system. They will help you to have a good blood flow and blood circulation. And once you have a good blood flow and blood circulation, you will have a strong wound. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 3 perfect ingredients you will mix to last longer. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men, you want to know natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the 3 ingredients you are going to mix in order to help you last longer, to boost up your immune system, to have a good blood flow, and to have a good sperm count? These 3 ingredients works. You can take these 3 naturally without blending. You can consider to blend the 3 of them and take it. They will give you all the benefits that I stated earlier. The 3 ingredients are: number 1 is carrot. Carrot improves blood flow. Carrot helps us to stay hydrated, and carrot has vitamins with enough fiber. Number 2 is tomato. Tomato is also good because it contains vitamin C, vitamin B, and also help you to be hydrated and improve your blood flow. And the last is pineapple. Pineapple is also a very nice fruit which helps us to have a good immune system, replace wounded tissues, and also boost up our immune system. So these are the 3 ingredients you are going to blend together. Do not filter or boil or heat or even try to filter it. No, take everything as you blend them and consume it. If you want to go to bed, you can take it 1 hour or 2 hours before bedtime. If you do this, it will improve your blood flow and increase your sperm count and make you to have strength and stamina, most especially blood flow, because blood flow aids in good and strong wood. So these are the 3 ingredients you are going to mix. Be consistent on taking these natural fruits. If you cannot blend, you can as well consume them raw. I myself, I do consume them raw without blending. I still have more energy, more power to do anything that I am doing. So that is why I came up with this video to recommend it for you to try it. In case if you have tried other recipe and you did not get what you want, you can try this. It can still give you, but most especially, natural remedy need consistency. So if you're consistent on taking them, you will soon start getting results. So that is it on today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck always. Bye for now.